What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today, guys, this video is a rather quick, simple and tasty one. Guys, you could put this together in a matter of minutes, guys. But before we jump into this video, remember to just hit that subscription button if you're new here and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my upload, and just give me a thumbs up. All right, guys, so let's jump straight into this video, guys. So guys, here I have some chickpeas or garbanzo bean, whatever you want to call it, some cherry tomatoes, some olives, some black and green olives, cucumber, bell pepper, celery, and a piece of red onion. So we're just going to start by just cutting up our veggies in bite-sized pieces. And of course you need a bowl. Now guys, you could cut this however you like. If you like it big, you cut it up big. If you like it small, you make it small. The option is endless and it's your salad, so you could make it however you want it. And guys, you're not limited to just a red onion. If you have white, you could go ahead and use that as well. And guys, I love me some olives, but if you don't like olives, you could just leave it out. And I'm going to cut these cherry tomatoes in quarters. I'm going to cut it in half and then cut it in another half again. Now guys, I love these little cucumbers because they are so crunchy, and I hate the seeds in other cucumbers, so I do love this one. Now I'm going to slice my celery real thin. So here I have my chickpeas. I went and washed, rinsed and drained these. So yeah. And in that same bowl, I'm going to make my dressing. So guys, I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil is on a more fruitier note, so you could use regular oil if you like. I'm going to go in with some spicy mustard, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and some lemon juice. Now guys, I will list all the ingredients that I use down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out and feel free to add or take away what you want. This salad is versatile, guys, and guys, the longer it sits in the refrigerator, the better it gets. You could make this overnight so it could sit in the refrigerator. The longer it sits, the better it gets. And guys, if you have like a picnic, you could make this ahead of time, and on picnic day it is ready to go. Refreshing summer salad, guys. I'm just going to give this a toss. No, guys, you could enjoy this salad just as is, or if you want, you could enjoy it over additional salad, which I'll be showing you how I serve it up. So here I have some spring mix greens. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna place some in my dish here. You could put as little or as much as you like, guys. Guys, and if you want to get your summer body intact, this is the way to go, guys. Now I'm just going to spoon that refreshing salad onto my greens, and let me tell you guys, this tasted amazing. So that's it for this video, guys. If you do enjoy this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more amazing recipe, just hit that subscription button and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my uploads, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about this salad. And guys, if you do try this salad, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen and let me know how it turns out. Until then, guys, see you in another one. Stay blessed.